We are on the northeast Norfolk coast at Horsey Gap, and this place is currently home to around 2,200 grey seals. This amazing place is one of the first reasons I got into photography. I used to visit this beach every winter to photograph the pupping season, which occurs in the first few weeks of November. I'll often spend a long time approaching seals to reduce disturbance, taking a long time to meticulously sort of plan the shot that I want, whether it's shooting into the light to get sort of a rim light effect with some whiskers, or to create a silhouette looking into the sun. I'll often get onto the beach before the sun comes up. This gives me a chance to find different individuals which are more comfortable with my presence. There's such a short window of nice light in the morning and the evening, and it's important to utilise this in the best possible way. The sun rises directly out to sea to the east. This is the perfect opportunity in the morning to shoot directly into the rising sun and produce some amazing rim lit images.